Hey, it's Jean from Dale Howard Auto Center. I want to shoot a quick video for you of this 2012 Chevy Avalanche LT. This is still gray. Looks really nice on the outside here. We'll go all the way around it for you. Looking for just a little bit of a paint chip there, no big deal. Little scratch there. I don't see any dents on this pickup at all. Tires are good. Not brand new, but good. It's very cold here today, so there's a little ice here on the rims. As you can see, a little scratch there. Got a bit of a scratch right there on the bumper. Not terrible. Little chip there. Looks like they were trying to load something. Let me show you the back end as well. Hope you can see that okay. It's got the rubber bottom. There's the top. I know you were coming from a long way, so I wanted you to see it good and close. I'm actually not seeing any rust on this truck. Which is fabulous. Maybe just a tad. It's hard to tell. There's a little bit of ice on it yet from washing it. It's looking pretty good. Just a little bit of a, nope, that's just dirt. Hood looks great. Front bumper looks good. Of course, keep in mind it is a 2012, so it's not going to be perfect, but it is really, really nice for the money that we're asking. I think this is a great deal. A little bit of scratch in the headlight there. So it does have the heavy-duty trailering package. Sunroof is tilt. We'll look at the inside too. The leather is nice, super clean, well kept. Sunroof does tilt open. It's got your full console there. It is remote start, which is fabulous for Iowa and Nebraska. So let me know what you think of this one. I'm happy to answer more questions, give you a little more history. My number 641-316-1525. Thank you.